Hey everyone, Mikey Abrams, Texas Pride Realty, and it is time for your 5 o'clock cocktail. Today I'm going to be making a berry mojito for the summer. Let's start, shall we? I love a good rim job on a glass, so let's rim it. I ain't got no sugar, baby. We got SPLENDA in this house. Act like you're in Scarface the movie, right? Strawberries and some blueberries for this one. Slice it in the middle, because this is gonna be our garnish strawberry. And we wanna make sure it splits in two and gets it all around the rim. There you go, ride it, girl. I'm gonna take my glass here, twist it around. I'm gonna take some strawberries. I'm gonna take, like, for a glass, I'm gonna take 2 strawberries. Drop it in a glass. Dang, I like mine minty fresh. Rinse some blueberries off. Boop, boop, boop. Then I got my trusty muddler. This is the fun part. Mash the living daylights. Take all your frustrations out. You know what frustrations you're not gonna have? Buying a house with me, baby. We educate our buyers and our sellers. And we have a whole plan of action, and you're gonna have a calendar of events knowing what to do and when it's gonna happen. So that's why you don't need to muddle so much if you're gonna be working with me. Save the muddling for the cocktails, baby. Add some ice, baby. Then we're gonna get some lime, some fresh lime juice right into the mojito. I like to do 1 full lime per mojito. Now it's the fun part. Add that rum, baby. Some soda. I hope that's going yes. Fill the rest of this up with some club soda. Look at the colors that are going through here. Paint with all the colors. So I'm gonna add a sprig of mint right here. Our original strawberry. Look at that, baby. Doesn't that look delicious? Now let's try it. Oh my God, it's so good. And it's got a lot of fresh berries in it, so I'm assuming that counts towards healthiness. And this has been Mikey Abrams with Texas Pride Realty, reminding you to raise your glass to your favorite realtor. And if you can't do that, you better raise your standards. Very good rim job, shall we? But I said not to snort anything, but this mint's pretty good. I wonder if, like, in olden days, people just went out into the garden and just started gnawing on mint in, like, the days before toothpaste or mouthwash. That salt on the rim kind of counterbalances all the tartness in that lime. It is so
You gotta get, it's not salt, it's SPLENDA.
Oh shit.
Love the mojito!
Get some copyright on us. What? Next step is, the fuck is my next? Just bought these motherfuckers.